Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you all how to use track changes on Microsoft Word. I have Microsoft Word already on my toolbar because I use it quite frequently, but if you don't, you can just go on top to Go, drop down to Applications, and you can search for it. Usually if you're enrolled in a major university, you can get any Microsoft platforms for free, or you can pay a monthly subscription for them. It's going to be right over here, so we're going to go click on that. We're going to click Create a Blank Document. We're going to enlarge this for detail. I'm going to post a mock-up cover letter I have to revise and I haven't done, just so I can show you guys. We're going to go over to the Review tab. As you can see, Track Changes is turned off. We're going to want to go ahead and turn Track Changes on. The markup, there's different markups. We're going to go with a simple markup. And just to kind of show you guys, let me add something. And kind of edit it. Having started my own business, and I'm going to introduce myself right here. It's not actually my name, it's just my mock-up cover letter. So this makes a little more sense. Okay, and as you see, the track changes lines I've already started. When you go to the All Markup view, you can actually see the changes you've made in your document so far. This is really awesome for any publisher or for any research paper that you turn into a professor. They can see with the track changes any changes you've made to your documents. And as you go, you can edit how you please. You can even do it in the All Markup. You can even edit in the All Markup or in the Simple Markup, which I prefer, just to see it in a clearer format. And if you don't want any track changes, you can simply just turn your track changes back off, and it'll still remember the changes you've made. You can kind of play around, no markup, and the original format. So there's a lot of ways to track your changes in Microsoft Word. But again, it's a great tool to use if you're a professor or a publisher or just have any writing to do of your own. Track changes is always going to want to be turned on so you can see the work that you've done. Thank you.